Hey there, I'm Ken, this is CRT, and welcome to the CocoTalk Game On Challenge of the Week for the week of January the 11th, 2021. This week we are playing Outhouse from 1983 by Factory Programming. That's right, we're playing a game about an outhouse. And it's fun. So you're the little UFO up there, and you just gotta shoot everything and prevent the people at the bottom from stealing your toilet paper. How appropriate for our toilet paper hoarding society we are living in now. You know, it's interesting. You replace all the fireballs and everything else floating around there with giant mosquitoes and horseflies, and this is a lot like being at my cabin. Trying to keep people from stealing your toilet paper out of your outhouse. So, one of the tricky things about this game is, of course, that you have to be moving in the direction that you're firing. You can fire in 8 different directions, but only in the direction you have the joystick facing. Now that was a squatter who goes in and steals the number at the bottom of the screen, the 197 there. That's how many pieces of toilet paper you have left. You've got to keep that from getting to 0, and you've got to keep anything from blowing your outhouse up. There's 2 types of people. There's the squatters, which will go in and use 3 pieces of toilet paper, and then there are the thieves that will steal a whole roll of toilet paper as they leave the screen, and you have to shoot them to keep them from walking away with your toilet paper. Another squatter just stole 3 pieces of toilet paper from me. And of course you've got the lasers at the side shooting at you. And I am playing this on my Coco 3 real hardware using my Black Beauty joystick. I have played with both the Black Beauty joystick and on an emulator with the digital joystick. And honestly, I kind of like the Black Beauty better, I guess. Also, you got to avoid crashing your ship into the outhouse, because that will destroy the outhouse too. Saw that guy, he was stealing toilet paper. Of course, if you shoot the guy while he's stealing the toilet paper, it all goes back. Stealing the toilet paper like that guy was. Yeah, it's yeah, for a game about an outhouse, this is a surprisingly fun and addictive game. I told my family about the fact that this is the game we're playing this week. They laughed at me. Can you believe that? course, as more these things all get onto the screen here, it gets harder and harder. Now, in the next level, I will show you there is also one more thing in your arsenal. Of course, you've got an unlimited amount of lasers. But if you notice at the top, you've also got a little blue thing there that says 3 beside it. That is how many smart bombs you have. And it took me a while to figure out exactly how to use the smart bombs because, of course, playing on the Black Beauty joystick, you've got one fire button. That fire button is for your laser. Alright, and if you hit a number, you set off a smart bomb and destroy everything on the screen. So that's... they got me. So you hit a number on the keyboard and a smart bomb goes off. And they're really going after me now. There, set another smart bomb off. Of course, one thing I often forget is that I can shoot upwards. Like I said, I'm playing this on real hardware, so I have noticed this over the emulation that the diagonal shots don't always show up on the screen, but they do fire. So I got another free man and another smart bomb at 10,000 points. And now you got a few more things on the screen here. Gets more and more complicated. There. Looks like I'm going to make it to wave 10. There we go. There we go. Darn it, 14,333. Well, not too bad. That's one of the, I think wave 10 is the highest I've ever gotten to, so yeah. Definitely a fun game. A weird premise, but definitely a game that's worth checking out. So that is Outhouse for the TRS-80 color computer. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed watching me play this game. If you did, you can give me a comment below. You can like the video. You can subscribe to my channel. Anything and everything you do is always greatly appreciated. And remember, I am playing this on real hardware, a real Coco 3 with a real Black Beauty joystick. So, yeah, go find this game. Go play this game. I do recommend it. And I will see you next time. Bye for now.